So in this session we are going to see why NAND and NOR are called universal logic gates. It's very important topic actually in for the GATE as well as for the digital electronics course of the BTEC's EC department, EEE department and all. So here first of all, why NAND and NOR are called universal logic gates? Because we can design these basic gates, not and or, using this NAND and NOR. As we know that using these basic logic gates and not and or, we can design any type of logic circuits. So what using NAND and NOR we can design these things. So obviously using NAND and NOR we can design any types of basic logic gates. Hence NAND and NOR are called the universal logic gates. Okay, as we can design a NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate using NAND gate and NOR gate, hence it's called the universal logic gate. So now we are going to see how we can design these basic gates using NAND gate only. So first one is using NAND gate. We are going to design NOT, AND and OR. So see here, we are going to NOT gate using NAND only. So before going to that, so as we know that what is the NAND gate actually? NAND gate is nothing else so this is my NAND gate, A, B, Z equal to A dot B bar. So what is my NOT gate and what is the functionality of it? A, B, Z equal to A dot B bar, which is nothing else 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. As there is two variables, so 4 number of combinations. What is not A and B bar? A and B bar is nothing else 1, 1, 1, 0. So, and what is my NOT gate functionality? The symbol is this one, A, Z equal to A bar. So, A, Z equal to A bar. It is single variable, so 0 and 1, two combinations, 1 and 0. So what we can do so that this functionality is going to appear with this. So what we can do, how we can design with the help of only NAND gate to a NOT gate. So see here what we can do, if we can make these two sort. So what we are doing here, as this is single input, so we are going to sort here. So let's say we are giving 0 here. So this is also 0, this is also 0. What is 0, 0? It is 1. So obviously A dot B bar is 1. We are giving here 0, the output is 1. So obviously this satisfies with this. Okay. Now if I am going to give 1, so this is also 1, this is also 1. So 1, 1, it is 0. So we are giving 1 and obtain 0 at the output. So obviously this also satisfied. So what we have done, using NAND gate we can design a NOT gate by just sorting both the inputs of the NAND gate. So see here, if we just sort both the inputs of the NAND gate, this is Z and this is Z equal to A. So which is actually a NOT gate using NAND gate only. Okay. Now next one. How to design AND gate using NAND gate only. So as we know that NAND gate is nothing else. This is my NAND gate. So how to get AND gate using this NAND gate? If you can put an inverter again, then we can get a. If we put an inverter over here, then we can get Z equal to AB, which is nothing else my AND gate operation. Okay. So how to replace this NOT gate using this? Just we need to take one more NAND gate and sort both the things. So obviously this is my A and B bar. This is my Z equal to AB. So this is actually the AND gate using NOT gate, AND gate using NAND gate only. Now next one. how to design a OR gate using NAND gate only. So this is little bit tricky. So let's say we are going to start the thing. We have been given a NAND gate, so which is actually A dot B bar. Now we are going to get A or B. So this is my OR gate. So obviously what is happening over here? Here directly operator is getting changed. So see here, this is the dot operator. Here it is the OR operator. So we'll have a certain postulates to do this, to get the OR gate using NAND gate. See here, I'm going to start the design over here. So let's say, so later on I will prove. This is my A. So what is this? A bar. Okay? And this is my B. What is this? B bar. Okay? Now I am going to give these two to another NAND gate. So what is this? A bar dot B bar whole bar. Okay? So as you know that according to De Morgan's law, A dot B bar is A bar plus B bar. This is what De Morgan's law. Okay? So see here, if you can do this, apply the De Morgan's law over here. A bar bar plus B bar bar. Okay? So A bar is what? A plus B. So this is my OR gate. So if we can design the NAND gates like this, then we can obtain the OR gate operation like this. So what we have done, we have just used the De Morgan's law, and the A bar is A. This is the two functionalities we have used, two postulates we have used for the De Morgan's law to solve this OR gate using NAND gate. So similarly, these three gates, NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, how to design using NOR gate we are going to see. Using NOR gate only. We are going to design basic logic gates using NOR gate only. First we are going to see how to design a NOR gate using NOR gate only. Okay, so see here, so this is my NOR gate. Okay, this is my A, B, Z equal to A or B bar. So what is the operation? A, B, Z equal to A or B bar. So obviously 4 combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is my operation of the NOR gate. And what we are going to do, we are going to design a NOR gate. NOR gate is this one. A, Z is A bar. So what is the truth table? A bar, 0, 1, 1, 0. So how to resemble this with this gate, this two table. So see here, if you can sort these two again as we have done earlier and give 0 here, this is 0, this is also 0. If it is 0, 0, what is my output for the NOR gate? It is 1. So we are giving 0 and getting 1. This satisfies. So with this design, I can make this. If you input giving 0 and output I am getting 1. So now, if I am giving 1 here, so this is also 1, this is also 1. 1, 1, this is 0. So we have satisfied this. So what is the main design for using NOT gate using NOR only? So this is the design. Just simply we have to sort both the inputs of the NOR gate to get Z equal to A bar. Okay. So this is actually NOT gate using NOR gate only. Now next thing is how to design a AND gate using NOR gate only. So here we are going to use same Boolean algebra, De Morgan's law, as well as A bar is A. So you see here, as we are having here NOR gate, we are having NOR gate. NOR gate means A plus B bar, and we are going to design A dot B. Obviously we are having the change in the operator. Wherever the change in the operator will come up, there you should have capability of using the De Morgan's law. As we know that De Morgan's law states as A bar, A or B bar is A bar dot B bar, and A dot B bar is A bar plus B bar. This is actually my De Morgan's law. So here what is happening? See here, operator is getting changed. So what we are going to do here, so let's say this is my so let's say this is my this is A, this is my A bar. Okay, similarly this is B, this is my B bar. Then again I am going to use another OR gate over here, which is actually A bar or B bar bar. As we know that A bar or B bar bar is as per De Morgan's law A bar bar dot B bar bar, which is A dot B. So we can design a AND gate using 3 NOR gates like this. Okay. So what we have used? We have just used this De Morgan's law, nothing else. Okay. So last OR gate using NOR gate only. Okay. OR gate using NOR gate only. So we have seen here what is NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing else my OR and NOT. So this is my AB, this is my A or B bar. So how to get a OR gate? If you put an inverter here, then we can get A or B bars bar, which is nothing else A or B. So if we are changing this NOT gate using this, then we can have a OR gate using NOR gate only. So what we are going to do here, just sort both the NOR gates to make a inverter, and this is my A or B. So this is my A or B bar, this is inverter which gives me A or B. So we have seen using NAND gate and NOR gate we can easily design a NOT gate, AND gate and a OR gate. Hence it's called a universal logic gates. NAND and NOR are called the universal logic gates. Thank you.